Today I stand before you to speak about a principle that can transform your life, a mantra that has the power to propel you to unimaginable heights. It is a simple yet profound notion: moving in silence, let them don't know. In a world filled with constant noise, distractions, and the pursuit of validation, it is essential to embrace the power of quiet determination. We live in an era where everyone seeks the spotlight, where self-promotion and instant gratification reign supreme. But I urge you to reconsider this prevailing mindset. True greatness lies not in the grandeur of our announcements or the applause of the masses, but in the silent strides we take when nobody is watching. It is in the hours we devote behind closed doors, honing our skills, refining our craft, and working diligently towards our goals. When you move in silence, you create an environment free from distractions and the weight of external judgment. You allow yourself the space and freedom to truly discover your potential. Away from the noise, you can focus on what truly matters: the refinement of your skills, the pursuit of knowledge, and the relentless commitment to your vision. Away from the noise, you can focus on what truly matters: the refinement of your skills, the pursuit of knowledge, and the relentless commitment to your vision. Remember, success is not defined by how loudly you proclaim your aspirations. It is measured by the impact you make, the lives you touch, and the lasting legacy you leave behind. History has shown us that the greatest minds and the most accomplished individuals often preferred silence as their ally. So, my friends, let the doubters doubt, let the naysayers scoff, and let the critics critique. Let them revel in their noise while you remain steadfast in your commitment to excellence. Embrace the beauty of silent progress and the confidence that comes from knowing that you are doing the work that matters. Each step you take in silence brings you closer to your dreams. Each day you invest in yourself without seeking external validation strengthens your resolve and builds your character. As you leave here today, carry with you the knowledge that the power of silence lies within your grasp. Embrace it, nurture it, and allow it to guide you toward the greatness that resides within you. With every step you take in silence, you inch closer to becoming the person you were meant to be, the person capable of achieving extraordinary things.